I thought Temu promo codes were just discounts, like you enter a code, you save a little, and that's it. But then something weird happened. I used a code, and instead of just lowering the price, it actually changed what I was seeing inside the app. Different deal, different offers, even some things I didn't see before. At first I thought it was random, so I tested it again, same code, different result. That's when I realized the code wasn't the main thing, it's what the code connects you to, because when I used it the normal way. Open Temu, add items, apply code, nothing special happened, just a small discount. But when I entered through the promotion first and then applied the code, it felt like a completely different app. More deals showed up, better offers appeared, and even the way the app guided me changed. That's the part most people miss. It's not just find a working promo code, it's how are you entering the system? Because if you enter normally, you're just another user browsing. But if you enter through an active promotion, you're already inside something different. After that, I just followed what it showed. Offers, bundles, limited time deals, and that's where the real savings were. Now, just to keep it real, not every code is going to unlock something big, and not every user sees the same results. But when it works, you can feel the difference immediately. Try it once this way and tell me, did your app look different or exactly the same?